Hello, today we will be learning about merge sort using Excel, of course. So before learning this topic, first we have to understand what is called merging, right? In Excel, we have a command, say merge and center. Let's understand this. For example, I have some information, say 5, and in next cell I have some information, say 8, right? Uh, Now, if I merge them using Excel standard command, what they will do? It's a separate cell. It's a separate cell. So if I merge them, they will make a single cell, right? So this cell address is R3. This is S3, and they will combine. Now, if they combine, what will be the data, right? And what will be the address? Now let's see. If we merge and center them, it gives a warning kind of information, and then it creates a single cell, and as you see the address is R3, so it means it gets the leftmost cell address, as well as the color comes from the leftmost cell, and the data is also from the leftmost cell. Okay, now the information on the right hand cell is got lost. Okay, now if we can undo it, yeah, we can undo it. I have written some technique using which I can combine them. Let's see, can I do something like merge sort? Yeah, yeah, it combines them initially actually, but as you see, uh, it retains the two data and uh, keep them in order sorted. For example, in originally this was in 8 and this is in 5, and let the color I change it something like that. If I merge sort with these two data, now see, it is sorted, right? Now the actual algorithm about merge sorting, if you want to understand, you can go through some videos in YouTube. I got this video from Go Get IIT. So they explains the algorithm how the numbers are merged, two items taken at a time, they are merged, and then those two items are again merged to so there is an algorithm. I am not going to explain the full algorithm right now. I'm assuming you know the algorithm. If not, you can check the videos for merge sort from YouTube. And my video is uh, the implementation of this algorithm using Excel, right? Uh, Maybe in some day I will create videos explaining the all of the sorting algorithms, but there are already many good videos already there. So I am trying to keep content which is not available on internet, right? Right, so this kind of unique information I am trying to give you. Now I have a big information, big set of data which is not sorted. It is an unsorted set of data. Now if I merge sort them, now first 67 and 54 they will be merged, and then 23 and minus 8 will be merged. Two will be two cell will be merged and they will be sorted or arranged, and that way they will be and the process will repeat actually in an iterative way, right? Let's see what will be the result. Let's select the whole number, whole set, and click merge sort. So they are sorting. Let's see, at the end of the process we will see all the numbers get sorted and arranged in smallest to biggest number, as you see, right? So I hope you understand the merge sort algorithm implementation. Yeah, of course it is written in Visual Basic VBA, which is available within Excel, right? This is a short video. I have not explained the full algorithm thoroughly. I have just shown how it can be implemented in Excel uh, by taking advantage of the concept of merging of the cells, right? But yeah, the standard merging in Excel has some limitation, but that I have controlled or managed through my program. Thank you.